in the heart of Europe, where the earth reaches for the clouds, where time slows to a whisper. This is the masterpiece of the world. This is a journey to the extraordinary. Witness a world untouched, a view shaped through millennia. From the first step, you feel it, an energy pulling you higher. Where the sky feels close and the impossible feels near. Ascend the peaks of timeless wonder until you stand where the sky begins and the wonder turns real. Until you witness the summit of human endeavor. This is a place where the mighty are rewarded. A chance to conquer the pinnacle of nature. This is where the journey meets the soul. When the last light touches the mountains, you realize the true ascent was within.